Hello guys, today is my 40th birthday. We are here in Dubai Marine Beach Resort and Spa.
Do you remember any?
Now we are waiting for our sundo. me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Hey guys, we are now here in Lamir, Dubai. Daghan ayun tao. Oh, ay bata. Balik-balikan. Asa man to ko mga kauban? Wala. Hi.
Happy birthday, Day.
Happy birthday.
We love you, Day.
Love you too. Hi, Te.
We're in Laguna. Oh, I remember this area.
Kadang kita tao. Di po kayo, murag corona. Pero kamas tanan. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We are having our breakfast. Naurot naman. Ano mo na nabilin? Sinaw man. Kasi. Wala na, naurot.
Nananasiyan.
Sasiyan, natin na lang. Ban. Pag-choco. Hello guys! Imbis na magigo ramig dagat, nanuha man na yung kinason, kaya pati daghana. Ay ba? Pero? Oh? Hmm? Daghan kayo! Gimok-gimok pa! See?
Happy birthday, Kuya Jongi!
Jongi, happy birthday! Amping ka dapat me.
Kuya Jong, happy birthday! Akong wish sa imo is good health and may all your wish will come true. Enjoy sa imuhang adlaw ya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ganda.
I hope you like this video and subscribe. Because if you didn't notice that I have a video coming soon, so leave a like and subscribe if I hope you like my video.
God bless.
God bless you.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Bye, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jong! Happy birthday, bye!
Happy birthday, Bray. Stay safe. Love you.
Hi, Jong. Happy 40th birthday. I wish you good health and long life and more birthdays to celebrate soon. I hope na safe mo always with Sharon and with your kids and hopefully magkamit ta with our birthday.
Hi, Jong. Happy birthday. I hope you feel very special for this special day of your life. I am so happy for you and Sharon living the life that you dreamed of, having two beautiful daughters. I am one of those who have witnessed the start of your love story. So whatever you have now, I am so proud and so happy for the both of you. And Jong, remember, the best is yet to come. So expect more blessings from God and stay strong, stay healthy, and stay guapo. Happy birthday, Jong.
Jong, I
Happy 40th birthday, Jong.
Happy birthday, Jong. Welcome to the club. Bitaw, ingon sila, life begins at 40 daw. That means we are more wiser, life becomes better. And then, this is the time na magawas dayon ni atong mga rayuma, atong gray hair, tapos maka-experience ta og gamay memory gap. Bitaw, I thank you because I got to know you sa MIRC, your circle of friends, sila Sharon. Arang adi kapod na ko ito sa una sa MIRC, abot ko kung iligan o pang-eyeball. Pero, lingaw. One of my happy memories during college days. Bitaw Jong, I know you are a good person. That God blesses you with good, with a loving and happy family and a good career. I hope and pray that God will bless you with good health and more success in the coming years. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Oy, Jong. Balita na ako. 41 Dias naman daw ka. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Welcome to the Tigos Club. O, ay nasik mamasol ya sa CR kay Goldfish sa iyong makuha. Happy birthday, Jong. Happy 40th. Taghan na ta. Welcome to the club.
Bye! Mark! Habol mo yung greetings. Happy birthday, 40th birthday.
Bago pa ming mata, happy birthday! Enjoy!
Magulang naman ko ni magbulan dahil.
Say happy birthday, tito.
Enjoy sa mong birthday, bye. Dahil kanang amping mo dia sa Abu Dhabi. Labi na karon sa coronavirus. Tuig, no? I hope everyone there is safe and healthy. Wish you more blessings for your family also. Happy birthday, bye.
Happy birthday. We miss you. Wow.
Happy birthday, Jong.
GRX, happy birthday. Sus, lipay kami nga. Nakabalon daldit nga. Pareho naman tag-edad ay. No, it only shows kung unsa ta ka palangga sa tong Ginoo. Jong, sa imuhang birthday karon nanghinaot mi nga buligan ka sa Ginoo sa imuhang mga gipangandoy sa kinabuhi. Tagaan kaniya og inspiration sa kinabuhi apart sa imong family nga gihatag niya sa imo nga mopadayon sa pagserbisyo sa iyaha sa imuhang kaugalingon nga pag-serve sa tong Ginoo. I also hope and pray na i-guide kaniya nga mabuhat nimo ang angay nimo buhaton as padre de pamilya, and hoping someday magkahiusan na sa ta, kita na sa ta, balik tag sa baile, Jerex
sa baile so among giampo para sa imuha is hinautong ta na mupadayon ang success in your career and that everything you hope and plan for para sa imuha o galingon as well as para sa imuha pamilya is in His own time ihatag sa Ginoo sa imuha. So amping, I think sa karon mo na ang the best na prayer na you and your family will be healthy and safe and virus free.
Sakto gan.
Oo.
Okay, once again, happy birthday, GRX. Bye-bye.
God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Jongski, happy birthday. Hi daw sa ni Sir Carlo. Sobrang busy. Great lang mi sa imo. Pre, great kay Jongski. Happy birthday.
Jong, mayong buntag. Greet lang ko, happy birthday. Unta, nakasama yung panglawas karon uban sa imong pamilya. Amping sa COVID by Jong. Rami po diri nagamping pod o ginaot nga dili sereno, hinaot nga tagaan pa ka taas ng kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Happy birthday Jong. Amping, God bless.
Dear Jong Cubs, happy na
Birthday pa. 40 na ka. 40 tigula nga. Dahil na nawapas pa na akong greetings kay daghan pa yung greet nimo. So, wishing you good health and happiness, not just on your special day, but your whole lifetime. And to your family as well. Happy birthday.
X, musta na? Happy birthday, bye. Happy birthday. Happy 21st birthday. Life begins at 40, Jong X. Kumusta? Ingat na. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday, bye.
Happy birthday, Tito John. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito John. We wish you a good health. Bye.
Hi, Kuya Jong. Happy birthday. Ano na? Happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Keep safe and God bless. Hi Ate Sha at hi sa mga cuting kiddos nyo. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Okay, Jong. Happy birthday. Okay, kung asan ka man ngayon, alam mo nasa UAE ka. Happy birthday sa'yo. And wish ko lang good health. Okay, and more blessings, more income, stable job, and basta ayusin mo lang buhay. So, happy birthday. Cheers. From London.
Happy birthday, Tito Jong. God bless.
Ingat po palagi. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit, Kuya Jong. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Jong. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jong. Enjoy your day. Tagay na. God bless.
Hi! Kumusta, Jong? Happy birthday! Greetings from Umawan family. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you and your whole family.
Happy birthday, Tito Jong. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, happy
birthday, Tito Jong. I miss you. How are you there? I love you.
Ikaw, Jael, what's your wish for Tito Jong?
I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Jong.
And happy birthday.
Okay.
Para sa isa sa mga taong nakilala ko na mabait at responsable at pogi katulad ko, happy birthday, Jong. Many more birthdays to come.
Hi, Jong. Akalain mo yon 40 ka na, hindi halata. Salamat sa samahan at pagkikipagkaibigan. Wish ko lang ay matupad ang pangarap mo at para sa iyong mga pamilya. Happy birthday. Cheers. Inuman na.
Bye. Welcome to the club. 40 na yun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy Jong. Congrats and welcome to the club of 40 Licious. Sayang, di ka namin malalasing ng grupo. Anyway, good luck and all the best on your 40s. Basta, enjoy life lang. Cheers! Chocolate na lang muna!
Ikaw, kumusta na mga dia? Kumusta mang sesyon na to Senado? Kumusta yung mga pamilya, mga anak? Si Sharon. Oh. Happy birthday, Jong. Ate, 40 ka tuig naman ka din sa kalibutan. Imbes magkatigulang, nagkabata, ano ka? Samot ba yung kagwapo yun? Ayaw ba din nagpamasol sa Niduro ha? Kinana ba yung pamilya dia? Kinumdum ka? Binuang-binuang ta dito pamasol sa Nidoro kay Mingaw pamilya. Namang pamilya di ay na pamasol ha. So Jong, happy birthday Jong. Wish you good health. God bless. Amping mo dia. Take care. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello Mark. Happy birthday. And more birthday to come. Enjoy and always safe. Stay at home and safety first. Happy birthday and more birthday to come. God bless. God bless you and your family. Happy birthday.
Jong, happy birthday Jong. God bless. More birthday to come. Stay safe. Ingat kayo dyan palagi ng family mo. Thank you sa mga pinagsamahan natin dito. Ingat ulit, pre. Happy birthday.
Dalawa lang tayo.
Hello!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mark Kabasag! Happy birthday nga pala sa pinakagwapo kong kaibigan sa department namin. Happy birthday pala sa atin dalawa kasi birthday ko din. Yun lang. Sana stay pogi, stay strong ka pa rin, stay healthy. Dalangin ko na sana magkita tayo at mapautang mo ko. Hindi pala, bigyan mo na lang pala ako ng pera. Yun lang, lagi kayong mag-iingat at happy birthday sa inyo dyan. Regards pala sa inyo sa lahat. Lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan, pe. At balita ko, mayaman ka na. Sana mas yumaman ka pa para makuha mo ko at payamanin mo din ako. Yun lang, pre. Maraming salamat sa lahat, sa mga pinagsamahan natin. Minsan namimiss ko kayo, gusto ko kayo makita, lalo na yung mga banding natin. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit pre, maraming salamat sa iyo. Happy birthday and God bless sa iyo.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Paring Jong!
Happy birthday, Tito!
Wishing you a magical birthday filled with wonderful surprises. God bless you and your family from Barba Family!
Happy birthday, Tito Jong Jong. I hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe. God bless you.
Hi Kuya Jong! Happy birthday! Ginapray ta ka Kuya Jong na i-bless pa mo ni Lord kamo ni Ate Sharon sa inyong family, sa mga bata na amping pirmi Kuya, and God bless you more and more and more. And happy birthday again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ngarag pa ko kaya lumaw pagmata na ako. God bless. Bye-bye.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Kuya Jong! Thank you so much for being so generous, Kuya, sa inyo ni Ate Sharon. Salamat for opening up your home for us, ni Kuya Eds. Though samo kayo sa highway sa inyo hamas. Thank you kaayo. Really, I appreciate the gestures and being one of our families here in UAE. So for your birthday, Kuya, I just pray and I just declare that the Lord will bless you and the Lord will protect you amidst of everything that is happening here. I pray na preserve good ka ni Lord, hataga ka niya o good health, especially sa travel, and after all of this is happening sa mga nahitabo. Kapit lang din pa Kuya, you are so blessed to have your family, si Ate Sharon, and your kids, si Sanchea and si Banban, and even your family way back home. You are really loved. Dagan kayo nag-pray for you, dagan nag-love sa imuha, and I pray this day you will feel honored and as in, saludo ko Kuya sa tanan-tanan nimo sacrifices for your family and for your family's future. So, I declare, I pray that this year will be your best year so far, and tanan nimo mga gipang tanom Kuya, one day you will reap everything, and I just declare na hatagan pa jud ka ni Lord og long life to enjoy the things that you have sacrificed us today. So, God bless, Kuya, and happy birthday.
Ay! Happy birthday ka pala! Happy birthday kay Jodel! Si Jodel nga pala, kasamahan ko. Matagal ko nang kasama yan. Maayos na tao, mabait na tao. Wala kang problema dyan. Lagi kong kusugan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Siya ba yung halos umaga-umaga pagdating natin sa pantry, nagdadala ng mga luto ni Ate siya?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, siyempre! Talagang Hindi ka naman makakalimutan every morning na pag andun nakalatag na yung mga luto na Ate Shawi.
Happy birthday! Welcome to the club! Fortis Club!
Happy birthday to Mark Jodel. Pre, happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. At ang prayer ko, maging malakas ka pa, maging healthy. Pray for your family na patuloy na maging healthy. Sana marami ka pang mahuling Pokemon. At bukas ang office ko kapag may kailangan ka. So, huwag kang mahiya. Okay? So, yun lang. Sana tumagal pa tayo dito sa company at maging manager tayong sabay. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Frank.
Hello, Jong. Happy birthday. Amping mo kanunay diha ug ang Ginoo padayong magauban kaninyo, panalangin kaninyo ni Sharon o sa inyong mga anak. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jongjong. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a good future.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jong! God bless! Good health! Cheers!
Happy birthday, Kuya Jong. Amping ka dyan sa Abu Dhabi.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Jong! Happy birthday, Kuya Jong!
Ma'am!
Hi, Kuya Jong. Good day. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi sa trabaho mo, Kuya Jong. God bless us all. Puntahin kita dito sa bahay, Kuya Jong. Mag-inuman tayo. Happy birthday. Tingnan mo TV, oh. Maliit lang.
Hello, Kuya Jong. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health lang lagi. Thank you always sa tabang ninyo ni ate. Enjoy your day. Ikard sa inyo tanan sila. God bless us all.
Hello, Kuya! Makanta sa ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Life begins at 40, Kuya Jongjong. Woohoo! 40 na giday ka. It's been a while. I just want to wish you all the best in life and may all your wishes come true. And more abundant blessings from God. Good health always. And maintain ang kagwapo kay sa Sharon. Gwapa kaayo. And I also just want to thank you for being so kind and nice to me during my stay at your house a long time ago. Again, happy birthday. Have a blast today and hope to see you guys again very soon, hopefully. Stay safe always and God bless. Ang gift ko no, Kuya, kay sunod na ko no. Miss you all.
Happy birthday, Jong!
Happy birthday, amping mo dia.
Amping!
always. Oh yeah.
God bless. God bless you.
Safe always. Happy 40th birthday. God bless. Bye. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday.
Idol Jom, happy birthday. More blessings to come, more candles to blow, and punta na sa mga trabaho, kaya pa, tapos punta na hugas kamay, tapos punta na safe ka kadara, o ay hopod na hatagan ka, hatagan ka blessings ni Lord, and punta pod na healthy mong lawas, o punta pod na happy ka sa mong birthday, and punta balag dili ka maka-celebrate, for at least kay ma-happy na ka sa among video clip, and punta dili jom na healthy ka, tapos happy niyo yung birthday, and wala to. Bye.
Happy birthday, Jungjong!
Happy birthday, Jong!
Mark Judel Kabasag, happy birthday more to come. Okay? God bless you and all your family. This is your father, Rudy De Los Santos, staying here in Elegant City, in my beautiful home. God bless everybody.
This is your mama, Bibing De Los Santos. Happy birthday, Jong!
Hello, Jong. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jong.
Oh, 40 na gyud atong edad. So you are blessed kay niabot na gyud imong edad og 40. Pasalamat ta sa Ginoo kay abot gyud ta arang idara. Bahalag wala tay kwarta. Basta maayo lang taglawas sa kanunay. Uban atong pamilya, no? Kami gimingon na gid mi sa inyo ha ba? Si Sharon, Sansia, Sabana, hoping mahumanan ning atong pandemic aron makauli na pod mo dire puhon. So di lang ta magunahon na permi anang mga virus kay imbis wa tay sakit magkasakit na hinuon ta. Ako lang wish sa imo ha kuya nga naa lang kay strong determination og naay mong panglantaw hunahuna nimo nga maayo para sa pamilya. Go for it. Padayon. Total, sila si Sansia, si Sharon Sabana, sila ang imong inspirasyon sa imong pagpaningkamot diya sa gawas. So, ayaw ka balaka, ayaw ka gool. Ang imong ampingan, ang imong kaugalingon, imong lawas, nga, di kita makasakit, balag watay kwarta. Kay, mo na pinaka-importante, kay layo kay ta sa atong pamilya. So, enjoy na to atong edad karong nga 40. No, kuya, no? O, sige, kuya. Happy birthday, ya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jong. Hinaot po ta, Jong, nga daghan pa kay iyong birthday maabot sa imo, Og amping pirmi sa imong lawas, kay ang lawas mo atong puhunan. Og amping mo tanan niya si Sharon, si Sabana, og si Baban. Amping mo tanan. Happy birthday. Ka-40 na.
Good morning sa lahat. Good morning, guys. I am very thankful for your warm greetings at nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat na bumati at kahit hindi tayo nagkasama at naging buo yung araw ko sa celebration ng 40th birthday ko. Maraming salamat kapamilya, mga kaibigan, mga classmates, barkada, kasamahan sa trabaho. Maraming salamat po. Sana po mabuhay tayong lahat at keep safe at pag-ingat kayo lahat. Salamat.